Hi guys, I would like to share my joy of my first photo album I received made by the company called Saal Digital. We're based in Germany, but I believe you can use the software all over the world, and they do post the album for you into your house wherever you are. So ta-da! So this is my first ever hardcover photo album. Now this cover feels amazingly smooth, the quality of it is just superb, and once you have it in your hands you really don't want to let it go. I remember when I opened it, when I received it, I just was over the moon. It really made me happy. So I had printed my logo on front and I have my self-portrait at the back. So it's a very nice introduction, and as we open it, let's have a look at some of the images. So it's my happy husky, and the quality of the print and the colors and the overall page thickness is just superb. Like you can hear the sound, right? It's just like a business card, but so much better. So all of the color palettes I found were exactly the same as on my computer. I love the shadow work. I love what they've done with it, the black and white images as well. It just got a beautiful mood to it. Just keep going. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. I love it. I could keep looking at it over and over again, and all the people I showed to, they all had a wow factor. They loved it, and they said it was really, really good. So I highly recommend Saal Digital, guys. Not only that they produce amazing quality products, they were super supportive and patient with me. Answered all of my emails very fast. And once I finished my album, I got it delivered into my house within 1 week. So if you want a quality and good memories in a nice book, get in touch with those guys. We will look after you for sure. So I would just love to say thank you for Saal Digital for this amazing album. It really blew my mind away and made me really happy. I'll definitely gonna get back to you again with more of my future albums. So keep up with the good work, and thank you once again. Ciao! Sveiki draugai, norėjau šiandieną pasidalinti ir pasigrožėti mano pirmuoju fotoalbumu, kurį pagamino Saal Digital kompanija. Tada! Visų pirma, norėjau papasakoti jums apie šitą viršelį. Tai yra kietos kopijos viršelis, kuris yra nerealios kokybės, labai tvirtas, labai švelnus prisilietimui, tiesiog kaip vaiko užpakaliukas. Taigi, pažiūrėkime kai kurias nuotraukas. Mano huskies. Viso lapo nuotrauka, kokybė fantastiška, lapo storumas tvirtas, netgi galima išgirsti šitą nuostabų kling garselį. Tai tikrai parodo lapo kokybę ir albumo kokybę. Albumo ir nuotraukų spalvos yra tiesiog idealiai atitinkančios mano kompiuterio spalvas. Taip pat juoda ir balta, pažiūrėkite, kokie nuostabūs šešėliai ir nuotaika atspindinti yra nuostabi. Taip pat Saal Digital buvo labai mandagus ir padėjo man daug ir kantrus su manim. Jų programa yra lengva, galima ją naudotis kur tu bebūtum, bet kurioje pasaulio šalyje. Taip kad aš labai rekomenduoju Saal Digital kompaniją, nes šitas albumas mane labai pradžiugino ir ne tik mane, mano draugai ir kiti žmonės taip pat buvo labai nustebinti šio albumo kokybę ir nuotraukų kokybę ir popieriaus kokybę ir štai kokios gražios spalvos, jūs tik pasižiūrėkite. Fantastiška. Kiekviena nuotrauka tiesiog nuostabi. Ir mano portretas. Ir paskutinė nuotrauka taip pat. Ta-da-da! Taip kad labai rekomenduoju vestuvėms ar šiaip, jeigu norite turėti savo nuotraukas įamžintas gerame stiliuje ir kokybėje, tai būtinai susisiekite su Saal Digital vaikinais, jie jumis pasirūpins. Ačiū. Ciao, ciao!